world in 2050. When it comes to year 2050, it will not be a surprise to see flying cars, food printing machines or any other technologies. But the most amazing fact is, by 2050, dinosaurs also may walk on the earth again. Although it is like a miracle to hear and see, it will be the reality that we can see near future. If it put simply, the whole dreamy world about dinosaurs will be a reality very soon. You know, everything about dinosaurs started with the movie series Jurassic Park. The movie shows us that there is an ability of recreating a dinosaur by using a mosquito that trapped in a block of fossilized amber. As the movie showed, the mosquito was the insect which sucked blood from dinosaur million years ago. Then scientists derived DNA of the dinosaur and recreated the giant lizard. Amber is the fossilized resin which produced due to the high pressure and the temperature. To be the fossilized, it has to be covered with the mud for millions of years. Then these resins become harder and become into a gemstone. So it is proven that blood-sucking insects may have the ability to save dinosaur DNA well. So by using a blueprint, will it possible to recreate an animal which faced the extinction? We have already found the DNA of the dinosaurs, who lived million years ago, but these blood-sucking animals that trapped in the block of amber saved only the skin. But to the surprise of the scientists, they could find a mosquito which owned to that era. The mosquito is the first this old to be found with blood in its belly. It dates to the Eocene era, about 46 million years ago after the extinction of the dinosaurs. When they examined the mosquito, they could see a red dot in the belly. More investigation showed that they are the hemoglobin derived from porphyrins. You know that hemoglobin is the red protein which transports oxygen throughout the body. So there is a high chance of finding a mosquito which lived in the Mesozoic era and which sucked blood from these giants. Although the scientists found these insects, they don't believe that they would be able to recreate them easily. So they use a different method for the problem. In the real life, scientists face a real problem. The DNA which they found wasn't old enough, more than 1 million of years. But dinosaurs lived more than 65 million years ago, so until now no one could find that much old DNA sample, as they tend to destroy themselves easily. So instead of finding DNA from these mosquitoes, scientists do researches about the relatives of dinosaurs. But as you think, these relatives are not crocodiles and Komodo dragons. You will be amazed to hear that those dinosaurs have the similarities of birds. With the million years of evolution, hands of the dinosaurs have become into wings and their teeth become the beak. If you want to understand their similarities more, you can compare a pelican and pterosaur dinosaur bird. The ostrich is similar to the Tylosaurus, and the main difference is ostrich owns a little bit puffy body. But as you think, which animal can be the closest relative to the dinosaur? It is the rooster. No similarities can be seen in a rooster with the dinosaur, but if you take away the feathers and if you connect it with the head of a dinosaur, you will be amazed. There was a gene of a very dangerous predator in the rooster's DNA. So scientists want to create a dinosaur by using the gene. They will be succeeded by 2050. What will happen if they are able to find a DNA sample of a dinosaur? In the movie Jurassic Park, scientists combined frog DNA with an extinct dinosaurs and recreated them. In that movie, scientists couldn't find complete DNA and therefore they used frog's DNA to fill the gaps. In the real life, although we want to recreate the animal, as we don't have the complete genome of dinosaur, it is unable to find defects. Genome is the complete DNA process. When there is no complete genome, it is difficult to fill the gaps and recreate the animal. But if we find the genome of the dinosaur one day, we will be able to fill the gaps easily, and it will not be like in the Jurassic Park movie. So to fill these gaps, we should take the closest relatives of dinosaurs, or should take DNA from crocodiles, as they both have the same forefathers. If the reverse engineering technology is developed by 2050, with the help of genetic engineering technology, the rooster can be given spiky teeth and a long tail. When recreating an extinct animal, we have to face some moral problems. One of them is, 150 million ago, no grass like today could be seen, and it will be difficult for the dinosaurs to convert into ecosystem. But with future technology victories, the human will be able to find solution for that problem also. For a moment think, what will you feel when you get the chance to watch dinosaurs again by 2060? Maybe, the parks like Jurassic Park movie will be real. Thanks to the future powerful technology, it won't be difficult to limit these animals into one place. As well as small dinosaurs will be taken as pets, and a marketplace will be built up in your city to buy. Now let's see what would happen if the dinosaurs lived without going extinct. If that happened, human would be the largest challenge to the dinosaurs, because our forefathers were able to kill mammoths. so it would be easy for them to control these giant lizards. There were marine reptiles also, but no hinders would happen to the human from them as they had the huge ocean to live freely. But marine activities would be a huge disturbance for these reptiles. Think for a moment as what would happen if T-Rex predators started to move freely. I should tell you that real dinosaurs are different from dinosaurs in the movies. A recent study showed that, when consider about their body mass, their bone structure couldn't bear the speed the 60 kilometers per hour. If I put it simply, if the animal runs fast, by losing the balance it would fall down. These animals' legs are not suitable to run fast. So the last conclusion was, if they want to run they have to maintain the speed into 20 kilometers per hour. Therefore human can compete with T-Rex animals. Although they didn't go extinct from the meteor, it is doubtful about their existence until now. They want a huge amount of food to depend and they would need a huge ecosystem than now. So no chance for them to survive until now, but for small animal with a small body mass might have lived without going extinct. If no meteor was fallen down then small dinosaurs would have lived like mice and pigeons. Finally, there is something to inform you. We don't know really what they look like and their voice heard like. As well as, no idea about their body color and about their body mass. But by 2050, we will have a better idea about them and we will be able to hear their roars. Thank you for watching Mysterious World. Please comment about the video and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future mysterious videos.